Guys, we're going to Honolulu. Look how cute this is. I really want one. It's a jelly cat. They have little frogs. Hey guys, I'm in Hawaii and we're with our baby cousin. Baby cousin, so hello.
Hi, Lucas. Say hi.
Hi. And look at my, what are these called? I don't know. Basically, the plan for today is we're going to eat at this Chinese place in Chinatown. 𝘧𝘪𝘯𝘥? That's like the rainbow thingy. Say hi. Let me show you my shoes. I have really cute shoes. They're leaving. Oh, are there mini hens?
They're chickens. Yeah, they're chickens. Oh, don't get run over.
That's so scary. We're in Hawaii. We're like right by the ocean right now, and it's really nice. Wow. So we're at Island Vintage. It's really nice. This one's so pretty.
Rainbow.
So our third one finally came, and so we just got acai bowls and shaved ice, and we're walking down the beach. So we're gonna go into International Marketplace, and it's like a mall after going to this Kona place. Guys, guess where we are? Interior. So we're at this Kona coffee place, and then Dad's getting coffee because he really wanted to get coffee, and then we got sparkling water.
Where are we going next?
I think we're going to the beach next again.
Yay!
We're at this cat cafe, but we didn't decide to come in. Cute. This is really pretty. at Lilia's Bakery. I think we're gonna get some donuts. Woo! We got the famous poi donuts and Kona coffee. Yummy! So we're actually still at the mall. It's the International Marketplace Mall. And currently me and my mom are sitting on rocking chairs. This is so funny. We're just sitting here because we've been walking around a lot today, and yeah. Guys, do you see like the birds up there? That's so cute. They're white birds. And then there's like a mini waterfall here. And we're walking to the Waikiki Pier right now. So we're at like the beach right next to like a bunch of hotels. It's really, really crowded. Look at the whale. Look at the pretty sunset. We're eating at this place. It's called Highway Inn. It's Hawaiian food and it's so yummy.
We're eating at this place.
So we're at this Hawaiian place and then we're eating Hawaiian food. Look how yummy it looks. It's really special. So this is like, I think, veggies, and then this is coconut, and that's like salsa. And we have some noodles, I think, and then some meat, and I don't know what that is. I haven't tried it yet.
This is so good.
Yeah, we got like the garlic fries, and it's so yummy. It's really pretty. And I think this is an apartment right here. Okay, so now we're at Honolulu City Lights. And we're gonna explore the Christmas lights. So we're at the Honolulu City Lights right now. Look how pretty it is. So we're like going in our end. Gosh, wait, this is like so pretty. It's really pretty. Look, it's like the icy we ate earlier, the shaved ice. So we're like walking out already, and look at the Christmas tree and Bella. But it's so pretty. Wait, let me show you this. This is so pretty. Guys, that's like the palace I've been talking about. It's like that, the one palace built, and then before was for the king. My hair is like with the clips, and then I'm wearing a blue blouse, and my sister is like very colorful today. And we're at Mecca. So in Hawaii, they have this breakfast at Mecca. So they have spam and rice. I think that's some sort of sausage and eggs, and that's like only in Hawaii. I thought you would like this, Bella. Look at the rainbow. Guys, we're at like Pearl Harbor. So we're like on the car right now. Look at the pretty wall. Guys, we're gonna try Leonard's Bakery. Oh man. So we're at like the lagoons right now, and I think this is the last lagoon. I think this is the 4th one. And this is the one lagoon we're at right now. It's really pretty. Look at the openings. The fish. Look at my shoes, my Crocs. Yay! Oh, whoa. Okay, so I like went in the water and I swam for a bit, and now we're just watching the sunset, and let's see if it pinks. It's so pretty.